Healthy tips for food and nutrition, along with their benefits, facts, presented in detail. Healthy eating habits. 1. Eat a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables. Benefits. Rich in antioxidants, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Facts. Aim for 5 servings a day. 2. Incorporate whole grains into your diet. Benefits high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Facts. Choose whole grains over refined grains. 3. Include lean protein sources. Benefits supports muscle growth and maintenance. Facts. Choose lean meats, fish, eggs, tofu, and legumes. Nutrient-dense foods. 1. Nuts and seeds. Benefits rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Facts. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are top choices. 2. Fatty fish. Benefits high in omega-3 fatty acids. Facts. Salmon, sardines, and tuna are rich sources. 3. Avocados. Benefits rich in healthy fats, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals. Facts. Supports heart health and digestion. Hydration and beverages. 1. Drink plenty of water. Benefits. Supports digestion, circulation, and overall health. Facts. Aim for 8 cups, 64 ounces, daily. 2. Limit sugary drinks. Benefits. Reduces risk of obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Facts. Choose water, unsweetened tea, or coffee instead. 3. Incorporate herbal teas. Benefits rich in antioxidants and various health benefits. Facts. Peppermint, chamomile, and ginger tea are popular options. Meal planning and preparation. 1. Plan meals in advance. Benefits saves time, reduces food waste, and promotes healthy eating. Facts. Create a weekly meal plan and grocery list. 2. Cook at home using healthy methods. Benefits controls ingredients, portion sizes, and cooking methods. Facts. Grill, roast, or sauté using minimal oil. Pack healthy snacks. Benefits supports weight management and energy levels. Facts. Choose fruits, nuts, carrot sticks with hummus or energy balls. Mindful eating. 1. Eat slowly and savor food. Benefits supports digestion, reduces stress, and promotes satisfaction. Facts. Take 20-30 minutes to eat meals. 2. Avoid eating in front of screens. Benefits. Reduces distractions, promotes mindful eating. Facts. Eat in a designated dining area. 3. Listen to hunger and fullness cues. Benefits. Supports weight management, reduces overeating. Facts. Stop eating when satisfied, not stuffed. Nutrition facts and label reading. 1. Check ingredient lists. Benefits identifies added sugars, preservatives, and allergens. Facts. Choose products with fewer natural ingredients. 2. Understand nutrition labels. Benefits. Informs dietary choices, supports healthy eating.
Facts. Check serving sizes, calories, and percent daily value. Benefits of healthy eating. 1. Weight management. 2. Improved energy levels. 3. Reduced chronic disease risk, heart disease, diabetes, certain cancers. 4. Supports mental health and mood. 5. Promotes healthy skin, hair, and nails. Remember to stay hydrated, limit sugary drinks, and read nutrition labels to make informed dietary choices. Key takeaways. 1. Eat a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables. 2. Incorporate whole grains, lean protein sources, and healthy fats. 3. Drink plenty of water and limit sugary drinks. 4. Plan meals, cook at home, and practice mindful eating. 5. Read nutrition labels and choose products with natural ingredients. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to a healthier, happier you. Conclusion. Adopting healthy eating habits and incorporating nutrient-dense foods into your diet can have numerous benefits for overall health and well-being. By planning meals, cooking at home, and being mindful of portion sizes and ingredients, you can support weight management and energy levels, reduce chronic disease risk, promote mental health and mood, Support healthy skin, hair, and nails.
The information provided here is intended for educational purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional advice and should not be construed as such. The content is based on general knowledge and may not be applicable to individual circumstances.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments and share.